Yeah man, Jamaican Girl TV. There goes DJ East, and there goes Romaine, and you know, a lot of stuff, but now go and go out on the road, yeah? And see what going on, alright? Yeah man. Let's see all the peanut man over there so too. And this is sound system, you know. Yeah, them a play music over there so. And my cousin them, you know. All of them. See the sound, see the rest of box them, yeah. Yeah man, always I buy music equipment, you know. Look at that merry-go-round thing. Whoa, this time it's going real fast. And the kids are on it. So let's go check them out, see what's going on. And the bunks about, sometimes the bunks about look like you want to go down, but they're up and running though. That's the good part. There goes the merry-go-round part. It's kind of early still, you know. And then just I try to set up the sound and I do some early juggling. So I just that, just one of them things there, okay? So yes guys. Later on, a bigger and better things. See them a clean up all the restroom, weed up all the yard, make up fire and stuff like that. Yeah man, see some stall here, then just a put out. They not too ready. Last year they were more ready. And see the peanut man, yeah man. We all different kind of peanut. Where him the Eastern? Yeah man, we buy from him all the time. But me know him there, you know. The nut man. Yeah man.
Nazi.
Me not see Nazi.
Nazi.
Peanut juggling. Yeah man, see the Nazi man. You have all in light pan, you know. See it there? You have all different. I want nice shell me want. One when a ox out it. Want the one when a ox. We're in a shell. And in a ox. The one with no ox. The one with no shell. Yeah. You have salt on it?
Salt on the pan and raw.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How much? One?
One.
So yes man, we are going do it thing. I decide not to peanut man. So yeah, what you say? Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah. So which one, what kind of peanut you have? Peanut man?
Yeah, yes, that's it.
Hmm.
Yeah, yes, that's it. Brown and white.
Yeah.
But that one, yeah, I all time make.
Oh, yeah, me know that one.
Ginger
There.
night.
Yes, ginger in that one. There.
And you have peanut cake.
Me know that too.
You have salt one. That's
Yeah.
all. You have ital nut salt.
Oh, idle nuts.
Nut salt. Cake but nut salt.
And them the one in the shell. They have salt on them.
Them them are not come with salt.
So then red one, yeah. What kind
A
of?
St. Elizabeth style that you.
Yeah,
The
man.
red one are the St. Elizabeth style.
Yeah.
And that one I like up here.
Okay.
Up here style this. And these are the red St.
Elizabeth style. Come used to go to St. Elizabeth a lot up on holiday. Yeah, because my stepmother come from St. Elizabeth. We used to go over there go see them a plant peanut. Yeah man, but you know,
Yeah.
early juggling, so we just walk around.
So
What
any
is-
that song.
The easy.
Top here.
So yes, me I go walk, go round, walk, video any little thing me can see, you know. Me no want them kick the ball for me some something. Go on, you not kick ball though. But yes, man. Hey! Me a forward back down on the road there, so. I St. Elizabeth peanut, the man say. Some house up there so and stuff like that. So me just a go down the road. But look at all this. Yeah, man. Hello. Eh? If me do a? If me a do a?
Still a black.
Yeah, man. But me kind of cool out and down there, so. But me just, you know. Yeah, man. But see, I think this belongs to you. Okay. It's nice. Me like it. But me not no kids, you know. But me used to do this same look juggling thing, so me know about it. Me used to do it enough, man. You see, I like how them have the campfire now. Me used to come put up me little something then, you know, and go on. Yeah, man. Me know how juggling though.
Where you want, young boy?
And he have lots of stuff, you know.
Yeah,
Look, a lot of stuff you. Yeah, man. The kids them they soon flock you up. Yeah, man. And then dolly over there, so. Yeah, man. I like this. You give me bad. Yeah. No gun. Don't good, man. No. So yes, guys, look at these car and stuff like that. I love those up here. You know, you go to the beach and you bring your shovel. I like those. I like the number thing for the babies, the kids. I like that. And those dolls over there. Great, you know. And the bubbles thing. See there? Yeah, see the bubbles thing there, you blow it. Used to buy it all the time for my granddaughter. And the Spider-Man. See the Spider-Man them there? That's nice. Yeah, man.
You want one of them, Sonny? Come and look. Sonny. Come look on them here.
Sonny no want them there. Sonny want different one.
Hey.
Oh.
Come here, come see. Look out here. You're rich for. Come here, man.
Oh, them their water gun. In that.
Yeah, them here.
Oh, okay. You want a lot of water gun. Sonny want different thing you can't afford. Oh, Sonny, not easy. But anyway, you go walk down the street. You have all different kind of attraction. Look, you have all car over there, so. Yeah, man, car them over there, so. Away you want?
That's jelly, Michael.
They almost done sell them jelly, you know. The jelly crew, they almost done. And then me and that, my cousin them, they almost done sell them jelly. Yeah, man. May I tell you, we are walk back down the street of Polyground. Yeah, man. Shaba, which part you there? Right here, sir. Alright, go on and come. Me, I wait for you. Alright, we have a